spend 25% of their time in the classroom and then the other 75% in the shop practicing manufacturer recommended repair procedures.
It's been a great experience just to be able to get in there and do the work, the hands-on work, and then see the finished product when you're done.
The way that this program so far has benefited me is through my iCard certificates and SP2s certificates that I've gotten, where it's opened the doors for me to get into the industry. I'm now working, and when I've completed this, I'll be a certified technician.
We are the only school within our region to offer the iCard training. That's very beneficial to students because they can go into the industry with industry-recognized certificates.
I would definitely recommend this program to anybody that likes working with their hands, anybody that wants to learn a necessity of daily life, because you're not just learning how to work on cars, but you're also learning how to work on an assembled item.
Benefits are tremendous for the employers. Students are better prepared. They've learned all the safety practices. They've learned manufacturer repair processes and refinishing processes with all their hands-on practical labs.
If you have a tough schedule with job, working, trying to, support a family and better yourself at the same time, I think the schedule that MJC offers is really works with your work schedule if you are working.
If you're interested in the automotive industry, come see MJC Auto Body, and we'll provide an education for you to have a successful career